The modern truck market is broken. $70,000 gets you a rolling computer with a stressed-out engine and a dashboard full of screens that won't age well. I've been working on trucks for over 20 years, and I can tell you this, I see more expensive, newer trucks in the shop than anything else. Meanwhile, a few older pickups just keep going. No drama, no surprises. So today, we're counting down 3 bulletproof trucks you can buy once and drive for the rest of your life. These aren't the flashiest trucks, but they are the ones mechanics actually trust. Number 3. Toyota Tundra 4.7-liter V8. Let's start with something that a lot of people underestimate, the first-gen Tundra. Yeah, some people will say it's not a real full-size truck, and sure, it's a bit smaller than modern pickups, but here's what matters. It's built like a tank. I had a client, Dave, retired contractor, bought a 2004 Tundra with 150,000 miles for about $9,000. 10 years later, he's at 350,000 miles, 0 major repairs. That's not normal. That's Toyota engineering from a different era. The 4.7-liter I-Force V8 is the key. This engine was originally designed for heavy-duty use, low stress, overbuilt internals, long lifespan. That's why 300K plus miles is common. And it's not just the engine. Everything about this truck feels solid. Frame, hinges, interior structure. This wasn't built to a price point. It was built to last. What to check? Timing belt, which must be replaced every 90,000 miles. Frame rust, especially near rear leaf springs. If those are good, this truck will outlive most modern ones.
Number 2. Ford F-150 4.9-liter inline-6. Now we go even more old school, the OBS Ford F-150. This is peak 90s truck design, simple, tough, and easy to fix. I saw one recently, 1995 model, original owner, 420,000 miles, engine never opened. Try doing that with a modern turbo engine. Here's why these trucks last. Ford built them to be worked on. Everything is accessible. No complicated systems, no expensive diagnostics. You can fix most issues with basic tools in your garage. And the engine you want? The 4.9-liter inline-6. It's not fast, but it has massive low-end torque and ridiculous durability. This thing is basically a tractor engine in a pickup. What to check? Dual fuel tank switch, front suspension bushings, which is a cheap fix, general rust condition. If it's been even moderately cared for, this truck will keep going for decades. Buy it for $5,000 to $6,000, put a little money into it, and you're done. No payments, no stress. Chevrolet Silverado 1500, 1999 to 2006. This is it. The gold standard, the GMT 800 Silverado. If you ask mechanics what truck they'd buy with their own money, this is always near the top. I've seen these trucks go past 300K miles more times than I can count. One customer, contractor, bought his 2003 brand new, used it every day for heavy work. He's now over 360K miles. Major repairs, fuel pump, brake lines. That's it. The reason is simple. LS-based V8 engines, 4.8-liter or 5.3-liter. These engines are legendary. Simple design, cheap parts, easy to fix, and most importantly, no active fuel management. Modern systems shut down cylinders to save gas and end up destroying the engine. These trucks don't have that problem. They just run, all 8 cylinders all the time. What to check? Brake lines, replace with stainless in salty climates. Knock sensors, common, inexpensive fix. Once that's handled, you've got one of the most reliable trucks ever built, and you can still find them for under $10K. Here's the truth nobody at the dealership will tell you. The best truck isn't the newest one. It's the one that starts every morning and doesn't drain your bank account. These trucks don't care about trends. They don't care about tech. They just work. And sometimes that's exactly what you need.